Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Gas prices are going down tomorrow. A litre of 87 and 90 gasoline will go for 62 cents less. Diesel is down 65 cents, while kerosene is 64 cents lower. A litre of propane will go for 81 cents less, while butane is down 66 cents. And ultra-low sulfur diesel will sell for 60 cents less tomorrow. Now, of course, retailers will add their respective markups to these prices. Oil prices settled lower today. Oil for delivery in July went down by 53 cents to settle at $65 a barrel. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $129.52. This is the highest the US dollar has traded for in over 9 months. The Canadian dollar went for $98.24. The pound sterling closed at $170.47, while the euro sold for $149.40. Prime Minister of Antigua and Barbuda, Gaston Brown, is arguing that global leaders in the financial and trade arena are using their power to keep Caribbean economies in a constant state of dependency. He's now urging Caribbean leaders to band together in an effort to stave off the economic aggression, which he says is being forcefully imposed on the region. The Antiguan and Barbudan Prime Minister made the claims while delivering an address at the 48th Caribbean Development Bank Annual General Meeting held in Grenada last week.
They have sought to deny us our right to operate well-regulated investor immigration programs, gaming and offshore banking industries, using the deceptive notion that these industries are harmful to them. The reality is, their policies are harmful to us and evidently designed to keep us in economic dependency.
He says the policies being implemented by global superpowers are harmful to small island nations in the Caribbean, which rely heavily on an accommodative global trade system
Every nation
to survive.
we seek to establish to diversify our economies and provide for our peoples, they conveniently find harmful. The question is, what next? They may soon resolve that our very existence is harmful to them. To the contrary, it is their policies and threats of sanctions that are harmful to our survival. We must collectively resist these deceptive acts of economic aggression against our respective countries. We in the Caribbean have to seek a more perfect union in our response to these challenges. None of us will overcome them alone.
JSE index lost 2,109 points today to close at more than 300,000 points. The junior index also lost 57 points. Among the winners were Barita Investments, Caribbean Cream, Carreras, Epley, Fosrich, Grace Kennedy, Honeybun, and Jamaica Broilers. On the losing side were Access Financial Services, AMG Packaging and Paper, CAC 2000, Caribbean Cement Company, Caribbean Producers, Express Catering, and General Accident Insurance Company. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.